Global glimpse. In the grand tapestry of our world, woven from countless threads of human interaction, there exists a constant, often quiet pursuit of harmony. It is a search for places where the fabric of society is strong, where conflict unravels slowly, and where safety is not a privilege, but a shared reality. To understand this, we turn to the Global Peace Index, the world's leading data-driven measure of global peacefulness across 163 countries. This remarkable index provides us with a map, not of land masses, but of tranquility, guiding us toward the pockets of serenity on our bustling planet. It is a lens through which we can observe the intricate ecosystems of human cooperation. Today, we embark on a journey to the very pinnacles of this index. We will explore the top 10 safest countries, venturing into their landscapes and societies to uncover the secrets of their success. We will examine the factors that contribute to their remarkable safety, from the stability of their governance to the trust woven into their communities. We will also investigate what these nations are doing to not only maintain, but also enhance their peacefulness. Our journey begins here, on an island forged by fire and ice, a place that has, for an astonishing 14 consecutive years, held the title of the most peaceful country on Earth, Iceland. Its landscape, raw and powerful, seems to reflect a society that has mastered the art of living in balance. With a Global Peace Index score hovering near a remarkable 1.10, it stands as a testament to what is achievable. This is not a fleeting status, but a deeply embedded characteristic of the Icelandic way of life. The foundations of this peace are built upon exceptionally low crime rates. In a nation where police officers are seldom armed and the presence of violent crime is an anomaly, it is the result of strong, transparent institutional frameworks that command respect and trust. Look closer, and you will find the true bedrock of Iceland's safety, its powerful social cohesion. This interconnectedness acts as a natural deterrent to conflict and crime. This societal trust is nurtured by a comprehensive welfare system, a safety net for all. Universal healthcare, accessible education, strong social support, anxieties are reduced. Unwavering trust and a belief in community define daily life. It sets a standard, a quiet yet powerful beacon for the rest of the world to emulate. From the North Atlantic, our journey takes us to the verdant shores of Ireland. It has firmly secured the number 2 position. We now travel across the globe to the remote and breathtaking archipelago of New Zealand. Here, nestled in the southwestern Pacific Ocean, we find a nation near perfect in societal safety, ranked 3rd. A culture of mana akitanga, hospitality and mutual respect, permeates. Exceptionally low violent crime underpins this security. Decisive reforms meet emerging challenges head-on. Banning gang insignias in public reduces intimidation and organized crime signals. Proactive intelligence keeps the terror threat low. Inclusion addresses grievances before they fester. A 3.1% gain signals progress at the top. Societal safety woven into national identity. Our journey returns to Europe, to Austria, ranked 4th. A pillar of stability at the continent's crossroads. Enduring peace built on strong, continuous governance. Predictability cultivates peace and economic confidence. Neutrality positions Austria as mediator, not combatant. Low political division, high everyday security. Its peace is steady and reassuring, like the Danube through its heartland. A life-giving constant for citizens and visitors alike. We now venture to Southeast Asia to Singapore, ranked 5th, a meticulously engineered model of peace, a dramatic ascent since 2008. Order and security through vision and execution. Broad-based, linked improvements across peace indicators. A virtuous cycle from finance district to residential heartlands. Tight, effective law enforcement with community roots. Fair, consistent rules create powerful deterrence. Ethnic integration in housing fosters cohesion. A shared identity that transcends lines. Peace by deliberate, long-term state strategy. Back to Europe, Switzerland, ranked 6th. Stability and precision define its reputation. Neutrality shields it from entanglement and fuels internal calm. An internal culture of non-aggression and problem-solving. High firearm familiarity paired with strict responsibility. Direct democracy and federalism bring governance closer. Livability and security attract people and institutions. Neutrality, responsibility, and consensus sustain peace. A meticulously maintained construct of stability. We journey to Portugal number 7, a story of resurgence. A decade ago, severe economic hardship. Today, a stunning turnaround. Jobs restored, anxiety eased, peace strengthened. Visible policing deterred petty crime and reassured the public. Data confirms a steady decline in crime rates. A haven for holidays and retirement rooted in safety. Economic policy at its best is peace policy. Warm climate, affordability, and security, an irresistible mix. Jobs, stability, investment in public security fractures healed. North to Denmark, ranked 8th. A byword for happiness and safety. Transparent institutions, minimal corruption. Trust in a fair justice system stabilizes society. Social architecture designed for well-being and equality. Flexible labor market with a strong safety net. Healthcare, childcare, and education reduce life stresses. Hygge coziness and contentment flows from feeling safe. Equality as policy, community as practice. Investment in people is the engine of enduring peace. In Slovenia number 9, verdant calm meets solid governance. A stable, prosperous EU nation of 2 million. Post-independence institutions foster rule of law. Low crime, safety day and night in town and city. Integration brings economic and security umbrellas. Its peace feels as rooted as its ancient forests. Malaysia number 10 signals regional progress. Targeted policy and policing enhance safety. Community policing and prevention build trust. Visible safeguards reduce urban vulnerabilities. Security extends from cities to countryside. Firm stance on extremism and organized crime. Debates aside, the index shows indicators improving. Peace supports growth and social development. Our journey reveals a profound truth. As the Global Peace Index shows, safety is not chance, it is designed. Stable governance, intelligent law enforcement strategies, comprehensive social welfare, community cohesion. Their success provides a blueprint, hope for a world in search of tranquility. The pursuit of peace is the most noble of human endeavors. These landscapes are home to societies choosing a better way of life. We can build a safer world for generations to come, one community, one nation at a time. The quest for peace is, and always will be, a journey worth undertaking, measured by data, lived by people. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more global insights. From trade lanes to wild rivers, peace powers possibility. Trust is the quiet currency of safe societies. Economics and stability move in tandem. Let data guide the way. Until next time on Global Glimpse.